Creating the life you want doesn't happen overnight. Welcome back to Aaron's Daily Thoughts. My name is Aaron Finlay, and today's subject is success takes one step at a time. It doesn't happen overnight. It's so easy to think, to look at these celebrities that got famous on TikTok or Instagram, and they just, seem to become famous overnight. It seems like their success is just so instant that it almost seems like, it's just luck. It almost seems like being successful just takes luck. But here's the thing. What is success? You need to ask yourself that question, first of all, because being famous is different than being successful. Being wealthy is different than being successful. People can be wealthy and be unhappy. Success really means living a life of abundance. Abundance financially, physically, mentally, emotionally, and all of the realms of your life, in your relationships, in your health, in your love, in everything, every aspect of your life. And what that means is believing that there's always enough. What that means is giving to other people. People who are truly happy, who I consider successful, are people who give. Those who give their money, they give their time, they give their love to other people. That is what really brings happiness. That is what true success is. It doesn't matter how famous you are. There are people who are famous who aren't happy. They're living miserable lives because maybe they don't know what makes a person happy. Maybe they don't know how to find happiness, or they just, they're comfortable, so they don't want to change their lives. Obviously, we do this too. Average, everyday people. We're living lives that are comfortable, even if they're not necessarily what we want. We're comfortable here because we don't have to grow if we don't get outside of our comfort zone. Getting outside of your comfort zone is hard, but it is essential for growth. It's essential for success. Now, what does this have to do with success not happening overnight? Well, let's take some people, for example. Musicians like Billie Eilish and Olivia Rodrigo. These people, it kind of seems like they became famous overnight, like their success happened so fast. But the thing is, they were great musicians before the world knew about them. They practiced for hours and hours and hours and hours and got good at what they are good at before they even got famous, before they even saw the reward for their labors. So be patient. Take time to develop your talents, to do what you love to do. And if you feel like you don't really know what you love to do, you don't know where you want to go with your life yet, that's okay. Just try things. And remember that success takes one step at a time. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. You can't climb the mountain with just luck. If you just sit at the base of a mountain and wish, I wish a bird will just lift me up and place me on the top of the mountain. I wish I could just teleport to the top of the mountain. I wish something would happen so that I could just instantly go to the summit. That's not how life works. You have to climb. You have to take the journey. Enjoy the process and understand that it's going to take some time. Whatever you want to do in your life takes time. Skills take time to develop. I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm just trying to make sure you understand the reality. People who are famous on YouTube, people who are successful, people who are the best at whatever they do, practice every single day for hours. And they share what they love. Even if your talent isn't something like performing, you could have a talent for sports. You could have a talent for simply just interacting with people, for being social. You could have a talent for seeing the good in others. There's so many gifts out there, and I promise you have a gift. You have multiple gifts. And the more you discover those, and the more you share them with other people, the happier you will be, the better your life will become. Take a step. Move forward. Keep going. Develop your gifts and share them with others. It's going to take time. It's going to take patience. It's going to take faith in yourself, belief that you can do it. But I know you can. Anything is possible as long as you can achieve it through step-by-step progress. That's all I have for today. See ya.